TPG and Marquis Business and Technology Solutions have partnered to offer a unique testing automation solution for your TPG application called Mars. Mars is reusable. Once the test suite is built, it can be used for all subsequent TPG releases. Mars is repeatable. The test suite can be executed as many times as needed for each TPG release to ensure the quality and integrity of the release. Unlike other test automation frameworks, Mars does not require any programming. It is a scriptless solution with a broad set of ready-to-use test cases and robust set of keywords combined with a repository of screen objects. The end-user-friendly design allows for simple or complex test scenarios to be configured by QA personnel and business users alike to meet your ever-changing business needs. Mars offers a flexible solution to perform your workflow testing. It enables you to capture baseline data and compare various data formats. Mars is cost-effective. It will reduce your project timeline. With Mars, you will cover a wider set of test scenarios, hence reducing your operational risk. The Mars Explorer is a user-friendly interface that allows the management of test cases. Users are able to group test cases into projects, design storyboards to automatically perform their specific workflow, and manage test results. The pane on the left-hand side organizes projects, test suites, test cases, and storyboards. A project can have multiple storyboards. A storyboard is a logical sequence of test cases that perform a workflow designed by the user. A project can have multiple test suites. A test suite is a logical collection of test cases. Let's look more closely at a test case. A test case comprises a set of test steps and corresponding test data. A test case can have many data sets. For example, once a test case has been created to input one bond trade, the same test case can be used to input different types of bond trades. Users only need to create a single test case for each trade type, and the execution is controlled by the dataset. A user creates a test step by simply selecting a keyword, screen object, and data. Once the test case has been created, users can reuse the test case with different set of data. Back to the Mars Explorer. The bottom right corner shows the results pane. Here, the baseline data is captured from the legacy system and compared with data from the system under test. The results of the data comparison, true or false, is displayed here. At the end of each test cycle, Mars will automatically create a report in PDF format. The report will show test summary, showing how many test cases passed and failed. The report will also show the pass-fail status of each step in the test cases together with any screenshots captured during the test execution. This report can be used to meet your organization's audit requirements. We'll now demonstrate a storyboard which will process 11 test cases. These are: log into TPG, add a QSIP, add a position to the QSIP, open the position, edit the position, change the history schedule, add user import analytics, then process the position, capture data, change QSIP factor, process the position again, and finally capture data. In a typical testing cycle, these 11 test cases would be performed once for the legacy system in the baseline mode. These test cases would be replayed for the system under test in the compare mode. Data captured in the baseline mode is compared to data captured in the compare mode. To execute the storyboard, the user clicks the Run button. Here is a short demonstration of Mars working with TPG. The first test case is to log into TPG, followed by adding a QSIP. Mars executes the storyboard in sequential order. You'll notice a monitor on the left side of the screen. This monitor displays the test steps as they are executed. On top of the monitor, you will see the name of the current test case being executed. So here we are adding a QSIP. Any data on the TPG screen can be captured and stored in Mars. Executing in the baseline mode, Mars captures data from the old software release, and executing in the compare mode, Mars captures data from the new software release and compares to the respective data from the old release. Mars also includes functionality to compare data in different formats, including text file, databases, and XML. Here we are opening a position. Here we are editing a position. You require minimal effort and technical knowledge to create new test cases. Mars also comes with a set of ready-to-use templates, which allows a rapid time to market. You simply have to provide your specific user data and have Mars up and running within few hours. Once your test cases have been defined, the tests can be repeated quickly and frequently without incremental overheads. Mars has been shown to reduce time and effort by up to 60%. Here, Mars is capturing data, which will be used later for comparing. The execution of Mars is scalable and can be distributed across multiple machines. With this ability, hundreds of test cases can be executed in a matter of hours, demonstrating the value of speed and reliability over manual testing, and allows a wider test coverage. You will eliminate manually intensive, error-prone testing and limited tested software from your organization. In short, Mars will dramatically improve your software quality, reduce your costs and time for each test cycle. So why choose Mars? It's state-of-the-art proven technology. It's scriptless and easy to use. With Mars, you will see up to 60% reduction in test execution effort and time, along with a much wider test coverage. Mars is cost-effective. Build once and you'll have test assets to use for all subsequent regression testing. For additional information or a live demo of Mars, please contact us at info@mbtsllc.com.